It's here. I'm so happy. Hi guys, welcome back to the Luca Way. So remember when I said I am getting my my Master of the Universe Ninjor? Well, I got it. I was so excited, and right the package. I put it against my body. I was like, and I literally felt it, and it felt like the package of the figure. And I opened it, and right when I opened it, Ninjor. Oh my gosh, guys. Like, he is the coolest figure in the world. Like, he has like a bow and arrow, and he has nunchucks. Just look at his artwork on him. He looks amazing. He looks so cool. So it's a Master of the Universe Ninjor, new for 21 by Mattel, and let's get this thing open. So let's rip it open like I did my last one. Oh. Okay, so I took off this. Oh, I forgot. In the back includes comic book. Ninjor uses uncanny self-abilities. Oh yeah, so it shows the picture of him in the back, which looks really cool. It has you have Hordak, Stratos, He-Man, Ninjor, Triclops, and Skeletor, and phew. Okay, let's get this little guy open. Oh, let's go. So hard. I think I got it. Wait. Let's just put it right. Aw, this thing's not opening. Oh yeah, it's opening now. Oh yeah, okay. Oh wow. Oh, right here, it shows the instructions that you could remove. Everything right here. That's really cool. And we have a new comic book. Sneak Attack. It has all different kinds. Comic book. Really cool. But let's get the action figure, guys, right now. So, we got the bow and arrow, the nunchucks and stuff right here. I'll open that right now. Let's just... Oh, it come down already? Did it poke through? Yeah, it poked through. Oh. Whoa, this is hard. Wait. Oh my. Oh, okay. Let me just get the scissors right here. Still not working. This is hard, guys. This is hard. Oh, no, I'm starting to get it open. Oh, yeah, I got it open. Okay. So, first, well, let me just empty this first. Let's just empty this first. Let's just get this up and out of here. Good. Oh, you're gonna have to use all your strength to get this stuff out. So, we have the nunchucks that he holds on to. That's really cool. And then the bow and arrow is the biggest, so it's super hard. I'm about to open it. So don't you guys worry if I'm going to take a long time. And then I got his sword. Cool. And then I got... I'm about to open it. I'm almost there. The bow and arrow. Cool. So, okay. Now, the figure. Let's just cut this. Oh, God. I'm gonna have to rip this thing open. Do you go here? Oh, wow. That's what he looks like. So, let's take him out. stuck to his feet. Oh, I think we just take these off. Oh yeah, you just take them off. Okay. We got Ninjor. Wow. Out. Ow. What? These things are stick to him. These stuff. Okay. Wait. Let me get the scissors again. Did I do it? Oh. What is happening? Oh. Well, I don't know what's happening right now. Sting keeps on. Ow. Did you hear that? Oh, that hurt so much. Ow. That hurt. But at least we got, wow, Ninjor out of the packet. So he has these two things in the back that he could hold on. And he looks like a ninja. Like, he can move his hands and everything. He's like, what So, let's put this stuff on him. So, the nunchucks. Oh, yeah. Let's put this on. Oh, my gosh, guys. Look at it. Wow, that's cool. And I think there's something in the back, that hole in the back that you can put the nunchucks through. Oh, yeah. Yeah, you can do that, see? That's really cool. And then the sword right here. Let's put it in his hand. Let's not put it in his hand. Just put it on his hand so he could. Wow. What? Whoa. His head just came off. That was fast. I think they didn't put it all the way down. Oh. The other Masters of the Universe figures, just their heads, it's hard for them to pull them off, but then you get to put them off. But this guy, immediately his head comes off. Well, they're not going to do anything, so it's not bad. Oh, you could also take off his clothes, this ninja thing. Yeah. Wait, can you? Yeah, you can. There's this buckle right here that you turn it off, but I'm not going to do that. And he has a sword. And then there's another thing in the back that you put it through. Actually, I think it's the other way. You put it through right here. Ugh! I don't know. And then the bow and arrow. Oh, wow. Okay, so I don't know how you put this thing on him or anything, but like, you like put this in, like, oh, this is hard. Sorry, it said low battery. It said 20% in the beginning, so that's why in the beginning I like pressed on the camera, and also said it again, so I pressed on the camera again. Sorry. And then I put this right here, and oh, it's staying. Oh, it came off. This is hard. Oh, is this guy broke? Oh no, he's not broken. Okay, good. Cause, I mean, I think he's kind of broken actually. His arm. Well, he's not totally broken, so I'm still happy. But he's a ninja. Like he's like, so that's really cool. Let's take this out. And then you can, the buckle, I'm actually going to take it off right now because I took everything off him. Take it off. Hey, it's not coming off. Huh? Well, never mind, it doesn't have to go off. So, I hope you enjoy and give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye. Bye. Let me just get his nunchucks. Put it right here. To make him look cooler when he says bye. Bye. Bye.